Let's say if you're in a loud environment, or if the person yells too loud or says something, instead of having that distorted, awful audio sound, you will have that other file with the lower gain so that you can use it for multiple purposes. A nice safety feature, and I'm super excited about that because I can't tell you how many times I've come back from a conference and had a lot of audio that was clipping because of the time I couldn't quite hear it or I didn't have the opportunity to use in-ear monitors. I think we need to test these out and try the sound. See how well it works, right? Let's go ahead. Let's see how it sounds. All right. Check, 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 checky, check, check. Come on. Okay, so you can see when I'm talking in one of them, you can see the A side is going real high. Da, 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 da.